Oh, hi. I'm just creating some indoor weather. Now that was awesome. I did it by pouring cold liquid nitrogen into a tub. Then I added hot water. In the sky, clouds form when warm water vapor from the Earth rises, cools down, condenses, and forms clouds. We can make a smaller version of a cloud right in a 2-liter bottle. Now you're gonna need a foot pump that's gonna give us some more pressure, and in order for that liquid to evaporate quickly, we're gonna use rubbing alcohol. So I'm gonna spin it around in the bottle like this, so it will begin to evaporate. And now I need to put the foot pump into here. And the way you do it is this. I actually am using a rubber stopper that you see right here and a tire valve stem that I found at the hardware store. I put both of those together, and when you hook that to the bike pump, you can see how it fits right into the bottle. All right, are you ready? Here's what happens. As I pump down like this, we are pumping air into the bottle. The air can't escape, so you can actually feel the bottle getting tighter and tighter. I usually do no more than 15 or 20 pumps. What's happening now is those molecules are moving around. Watch what happens. We go from high pressure to low pressure. Watch. Look at this. You can actually pour this vapor out. I think it's gorgeous. We go from high pressure to low pressure, and that condensation takes place. It's so easy to be able to see the water vapor. Bam! Now that's a cloud in a bottle.